Fresh turmeric. Pwede lang yan kainin. Can eat like this one.
Yeah.
See, oh. More than 1 kilo na to. Ayan na siya. Guys, nandito kami sa backyard at nag-harvest kami ng yellow ginger or turmeric. Tingnan nyo guys, ang dami naming na-harvest na turmeric. At ang dami ding langgam dito guys. Tingnan nyo ito guys, yung aming tanim dati last time. We plant just one. Isa lang ang tinanim namin dati, isang puno. So tingnan nyo naman guys, ang dami ng bunga. Ang dami ng laman. Ang dami ng laman ng turmeric. This one so expensive in the market. We buy this one so expensive. Marami kasing benefits ito itong turmeric. Pero you makan right? Alam niyo ba guys ginagawa nito?
Mix small your pam-pam.
Alam niyo ba ang ginagawa ng kasama ko? Kinakain niya lang ito ng ganito raw. Kinakain niya lang yan. Ang dami. Still have yan pa, ang dami pa Ang dami. Yan wow. So this one kinmakan. Ayan guys, pwedeng magmukbang dito guys. Ang daming laman ng isang ganito. Siguro maybe 1 kilo already. Yeah. More.
It's very heavy.
Yun guys. Ayan pag hinugasan namin to siguro more than 1 kilo na. So ito yung isang paso. Yan na ang aming nakuha. At itong dito banda ay itatanim ulit namin. Ayan. Plant again yan. Tapos meron pa dito Ayan na siya guys. Tapos ito pa, kukunin pa namin yung laman nito. Tapos magtatanim ulit kami. So, yan ay aming bubunutin pa. At nag-garden kasi kami dito So, bubunutin namin ulit to mamaya. So, ito naman guys ay iba palang klase ito.
For cooking, the yellow, not very yellow.
Ayan siya Ito yung pangalawang paso.
This one yellow, right? This one is not orange. This one for your slimming body.
Iba pala ito. It's not same. This one, ito yung
cooking.
So, ito yung wait, this one
Yeah. Yeah.
My airplane.
Next year.
Nothing. This one This one's I think the same, but this one is young. Turmeric din pala ito. Very big. Ayan siya. taga-video. Sana na hinugasan niya na yung Fresh turmeric. Pwede lang yan kainin. Can eat like this one.
Yeah.
See, oh. More than 1 kilo na to. Ayan na siya. And then, nagtanim na kami ng bago. What's this?
When plant again.
Oh.
It's a new baby.
Pinagtanggalan namin at nagtanim uli kami ng bago. So, ayan guys, yung aming bagong tanim. Hi guys, tapos na kami doon sa likod. At dito naman kami sa side. Ayan, ito. Tamarin yan, tamarin. Ililipat namin doon sa may labas. Why you take that one?
If this one become only the bone. This one for special slimming body.
So, ito guys, yung isang klase ng
This one for slim body.
slimming body bar.
For the
Ginger din yan, di ba? So, yung doon sa, wait lang, yung doon sa likod ay na-harvest na namin, pero ito daw ayaw daw ni sir.
tired already. Too thick.
Wait lang guys, ako ang kukuha kasi wala nang power yung aking kasama eh. No more power, Ayuli.
Yeah.
So, meron kami ditong papaya.
And pak.
Ito, nakikrazy na. Meron kami ditong papaya, tapos sampalok. Tapos ito ayaw ni sir, so tatanggalin namin ang mga. Yeah, yes, I know this one is I saw this one in the herbal medicine. Ayan siya guys, oh. So, marami yan. Wait lang. Napakita ko sa inyo kung gaano karami ang laman nito. Hindi ito turmeric or yellow ginger, iba to.
This one is special for slim body.
For slimming body daw. Kaya pag siya ang you take Yulia, you become bone already. Bibilisan na namin kasi wala yung umalis na yung amo namin. So pagkatapos namin ito magpapahinga muna kami. So wait lang muna guys. At dadalhin ko kayo dun sa kabundukan mamaya. So guys, nandito na kami sa labas. At may panda naman dito. At meron kaming palakol at which one kukunin kasi namin itong pandan. See, so dry also. This one Yuli, I think very big. Kukuha kami ng pandan at ililipat namin doon sa over the bakod kami dyan. So wait lang guys, kukunin namin to ha. At wala nang power to eh, no more power.
Take the
a lot of ends. Ang daming langgam guys. So ito ang aming ililipat doon sa basta doon. Ewan ko lang kung saan dyan. Become farmer. So yun yung sampalok. Okay. Tanim niya na dyan yung sampalok. Yung sampalok na dyan. Oh. Dito lang yan guys sa harapan namin. This one is asam.
Sinigang.
Asam for sinigang. Then, after 2 years, can see. So, sir can see. Then, the pandan?
Yeah, pandan is, I think here lah.
Where?
Here.
No lah.
So, can see, sir.
You go there, oh.
I know why.
See, got truck already.
What's he doing? Throw the baby.
Oh no, after this I take water, then we put water. So guys, ito yung aming work today na napasubo kami. Yan, dami diyang guys. Meron diyang bayawak. May bayawak dyan. Meron pang unggoy, monkey. What else next? Huh?
Bayawak here.
Yeah, the bayawak can climb on the tree there. I saw. What else the next? Papaya? So, meron pa dito guys, papaya. Tatanim din niya yan.
Cut. Itu kak apa? That's one the cutting. Yeah. Good. Ini.
Nabali guys yung palakol.
Guys!
Pagod na. So tight. I told you no need to cut. I told you no need to cut. Naputol na guys. Hey, that one is very sharp, Yuli. Later you cut your finger. What is that? Naputol. I see. Naputol yung aming palakol. But luckily, never good. Guys, naputol yung aming palakol. Oh. How? I take the other one?
Then this one pandan.
Sabi niya, pag day off niya daw, matulog na lang daw siya dyan. Mag-sleep na lang siya dyan. Diba? The neighbor looking. Ito na guys, yung sampalok, asam, rasam, papaya, tsaka pandan. Yan, dito namin tinanim. Tapos, ito naman yung naputol na palakol. Yan, yan dyan guys, oh. Okay na. Done. You want to take a rest already?
Hey. Oh, this water from. Okay.